On today's video, we are going to recreate the Starbucks iced sugar cookie latte. You guys saw me try it and I was extremely underwhelmed. I feel like it didn't taste like much and I asked for it the way that they normally, I didn't change anything. So today we are going to recreate Soft Porn's version of the recipe. That's his handle. He's over on TikTok and he usually does like different recipes or recreates different recipes that Starbucks has. So I saw his recipe. It's very simple and he makes his own syrup. That's what we're gonna do today. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so you're gonna need 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract, and a half a teaspoon of almond extract. First, we're gonna melt and brown the butter until it looks a little bit like this. After that, you're gonna add your sugar and stir it until the butter soaks it all in. Throw in your 1 cup of water very savagely, just like I did. Once you combine all those ingredients, you're gonna add your vanilla extract, your almond extract, and just keep stirring until it's reduced by half. Next, you're just gonna pour it into a flip-top container, and that is all. I'm using Starbucks blonde espresso pods and 2 tablespoons of the syrup. At first I used 1, but I ended up using 2 tablespoons. I think that's the perfect amount for this concoction. You'll need a cup of ice, about a half cup of oat milk, and then just pour the espresso over that and top off with a few sprinkles. And that is it. Okay, moment of truth. Oh my God, my mouth is watering. I hope this is good. I added even a little bit more syrup just because I thought that was a lot of coffee and milk compared to the 1 tablespoon. It's clogged. Oh my God. That is better. Oh my God. That is so good. Okay guys, I feel like I have a more thorough opinion of this. I think it's better than the one that Starbucks had. For sure, hands down. But I don't know, maybe the flavor isn't just... maybe I don't like the flavor because I'm drinking it really, really slowly. You can tell there's like a buttery sweetness to it, but I'm still not 100% impressed. So I'm gonna have to give this recipe maybe like a 6 out of 10. The Starbucks was definitely like a 3 out of 10 if anything. I don't think the flavor is there. Hi guys, it's a few days later and I decided to give this thing another try because I don't know if it just needs to cool down, and right now it's all the way cool. And in the comments of that guy's video, a lot of people were complaining about the butter hardening, and obviously mine did too. But he said that he removed the hardened stuff and then that the syrup was still good. What I did, since it's in this little container, I just used one of my stir sticks and I punctured, I don't know if you guys can see, I punctured a little hole there. So whatever's underneath still comes out, and it is very, very delicious. The only problem is that when you mix it with the coffee, I feel like I lose the flavor, and I don't know if it was just like the espresso was just too strong of a roast. So what I'm gonna do right now, just to give it one final try, and if it doesn't taste good, then it's not good. So I'm gonna try Bianco Leggero. It's a very light tasting pod. We'll combine it with the syrup, and I'm gonna do exactly what the guy did. He put in the syrup first, then the milk, then the ice, and at the end he put the syrup. So let's do that, because people in his comment section are raving about this like combination, and I just can't seem to find something that I like. So I'm gonna try it this way. Again, the syrup on its own, it's very, very yummy, and it tastes like a true sugar cookie. Very sweet. It's really, really good, but when I mix it with the coffee, that's where I lose it. So let's see. I'm gonna brew Bianco Leggero, and then we'll do everything, combine everything and taste it one more time. All right, while that's brewing, I'm just gonna drop in 2 tablespoons of the syrup. This is the second one. Oat milk. About that much. ice. Oh my god, I always do this. Let's hope we don't spill the espresso, but this is the espresso. There you go. Give it a little stir. All right, let's try this. Okay, there it is. I think Bianco Leggero is the way to go. Yes, so good. Bianco Leggero is definitely the pod to do with this syrup. I think the other espresso pods, I used the Starbucks blonde one, which is what they used in store, like that's part of their recipe. Earlier today I tried the Millennial from Original Line. That one's a little stronger. I forgot what else I tried, but it was also stronger. I figured, I don't know, but Bianco Leggero is definitely the pod to go with. Hopefully you guys get to try this recipe. Like I said, I'm stepping all over the ice that I just dropped, but the syrup is very, very delicious. Try it with Bianco Leggero first, and if you like it that way, maybe you could play around with different pods. But Bianco Leggero is a very, very light tasting pod. I even think it would work with Voltesso, but other than that, I feel like the other ones just didn't work. It would just lose the flavor of the sugar cookie. This is very good. Try it this way, and I don't know if the way that you pour the things make a difference, but again, I used the syrup first, then the milk, then the ice, and then last the espresso, and it is way better. So I'm glad I got it. The recipe is very simple. You guys saw, and then you can just store it. I think he said you could store it up to 1 to 2 weeks. I'll double check and I'll put it on the screen, but it's very delicious this way. Bianco Leggero for the win. All right, guys, that concludes today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and if you guys try it, tag me over on Instagram. I would love to see your recreation of this recipe, and then let me know if you liked it or not. I feel like this recipe is a hit or miss with a lot of people. It's either they hate it or they love it, but definitely Bianco Leggero and oat milk is the way to go, because even almond milk was not good when I tried it at Starbucks. So yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.